This is Glenn Scott the Painter, Sun City. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you would, please hit the subscribe and like buttons down below. It helps to encourage and make my grandkids proud of their Grandpa Glenn. Thank you. This is Glenn Scott the Painter, Sun City. I'm at my home, and my friend, handyman, and he helps me with a lot of things. His name is Byron. He's spraying the lawn for weeds, and he does this. So anyway, it's anywhere up from 100 to 150, just depending on the size of your yard, of course. You can get as high as 200, but materials, everything's included. And his name is Byron Massengale. I will list his number in the video. Anyway, let's get started.